Hello, everyone, and welcome back to BBC English Online. I'm Tommy, and I am so excited to be here with you today. Are you ready to make your English speaking stronger, more confident, and most importantly, more you? I hope so. Because today we are going to talk about your day, your questions, and how to use them to practice English every single day. Ever wonder how to fluently describe your morning chaos in English? Or perfectly explain what you did last weekend? This video isn't just another lesson. We're diving deep into your daily life. We're going to turn everyday scenarios into powerful English practice using something called WH questions. Get ready to transform how you talk about your routine. Tired of feeling stuck when speaking English about your day? Imagine confidently sharing your plans or recounting your adventures without hesitation. In this video, we're making English practical and personal. You will learn to master WH questions by applying them directly to your routine, making real conversations easier than ever. What if your daily routine became your best English teacher? Forget dry textbooks. We're about to explore the power of WH questions through your actual life. Get ready to turn your morning commute, your lunch break, or even your evening chill time into dynamic English practice. Plus, I'll show you how to craft your own questions, making every day a personalized learning experience. The Everyday WH Challenge. All right, let's begin. I want you to think about your day. Just a normal, typical day for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Do you hit the snooze button? Do you jump right out of bed? Do you check your phone? These are simple questions, right? But they are so important for practicing English. And guess what? Each of these questions uses what we call a WH word. In English, WH questions are super important for getting information. They help us understand stories, plans, and experiences, and they are perfect for talking about your daily life. My goal today is to help you use these WH questions to talk about your life every single day with more confidence. We'll make it easy, step by step. So, are you ready to take on the Everyday WH Challenge? Let's do it. Morning routine. WH breakdown. Let's start with the morning. For many of us, the morning is a busy time. It can feel a bit chaotic, right? Let's imagine a typical morning. We'll walk through it, and I'll show you how each WH word helps us understand and talk about it. First, let's talk about what. What is for asking about things, actions, or ideas. For example, what do you usually eat for breakfast? What kind of coffee do you drink? What book are you reading in the morning? Now, I want you to think, what is the first thing you do when you wake up? Do you check your phone? Do you stretch? Do you get a glass of water? Think about your answer. Say it out loud if you can. It's okay if it's simple. Next, let's talk about WHO. Who is for asking about people. For example, who do you live with? Maybe your family, friends, or alone. Who makes breakfast in your house? Who do you usually talk to first in the morning? Now your turn. Think about your morning. Who do you see or talk to first? Is it a family member, a pet, or maybe the person at the coffee shop? Now let's move to when. When is for asking about time. It could be a specific time, a day, or a period. For example, when do you usually wake up? At 6 a.m.? At 8 a.m.? When do you leave for work or school? When do you usually have your breakfast? Think about your own morning. When do you start your daily activities? Try to be specific. Our next WH word is where. Where is for asking about places or locations. For example, where do you usually have your coffee? At home? At a cafe? Where do you get ready in the morning? In the bathroom? In your bedroom? Where do you go after leaving your house? Now for you. Where do you usually spend your mornings? Is it at home, at work, or somewhere else? This one is very useful. Why? Why is for asking about reasons or explanations. For example, why do you wake up early? Perhaps for work or to exercise. Why do you drink coffee in the morning? To feel awake? Because you like the taste? Why do you choose your clothes for the day? For comfort? For a meeting? It's your turn. Think about your routine. Why do you do something specific in the morning? For example, why do you always check your phone first? And finally, we have how. How is for asking about the manner or way something is done, or about the condition of something. For example, how do you travel to work or school? By bus? By car? By walking? How do you feel in the morning? Tired? Energetic? Happy? How do you prepare your breakfast? Quickly? Carefully? Now think about your morning. How do you get ready? Is it fast or slow? How do you usually start your day? Excellent. You've just walked through a typical morning using all the important WH questions. See how they help us understand every part of the routine? Afternoon and evening, practice, power up. Our day doesn't stop in the morning, does it? The afternoon and evening offer even more chances to practice our WH questions. Let's think about the afternoon. Maybe you're at work or studying or running errands. Imagine you are ordering coffee at a cafe. This is a very common scenario. You might hear or ask, question, what would you like to order? Answer, I'd like a latte. Question, how much is that? Answer, it's $5. Question, when will my order be ready? Answer, in about 3 minutes. Question, where can I pick it up? Answer, at the counter. Question, who is next in line? Answer, that would be me. See? Simple WH questions in a real-life situation. Now let's try a different one. Imagine you are talking with a friend about your evening plans. You might ask, question, what are you doing tonight? Answer, I'm going to watch a movie. Question, when are you meeting your friends? Answer, at 7 p.m. Question, where are you going for dinner? Answer, to that new Italian restaurant. Question, who are you going with? Answer, with Sarah and John. Question, why did you choose that movie? Answer, because it has good reviews. Question, how was your day at work? Answer, it was busy, but good. Remember, WH questions aren't just for asking for basic information. They are also fantastic for extending conversations. This means making your conversations longer and more interesting. Let's say your friend says, I went to the park yesterday. Instead of just saying, oh, okay, you can use a WH question to learn more. Oh, really? Which park did you go to? Using which to ask about a specific choice. Who did you go with? What did you do there? How was the weather? When exactly did you go? These follow-up questions show that you are interested, and they keep the conversation flowing. It's a great way to practice your English in a natural way. So, for your afternoon and evening, try to notice these kinds of conversations. When you hear someone say something, think, what WH question can I ask to learn more? Your turn, personalized WH practice. Okay, you've learned a lot today. You've seen how WH questions work in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Now it's time to make this your personal English practice. I want to challenge you. This is your turn personalized WH practice. Your turn. Personalized WH practice. Think about your own unique daily habits and routines. What makes your day special? Maybe you have a specific hobby or a special way you relax. My challenge for you is to formulate at least 3 WH questions about your upcoming evening or tomorrow. Don't worry if they are simple. The goal is to start thinking in English. Let me give you some ideas. Maybe you will cook dinner. You could ask, "What will I cook for dinner tonight?" Or, "How will I prepare it?" Perhaps you will watch a TV show. You could ask, "What show will I watch?" Or, "Who is the main actor?" Maybe you have plans for tomorrow. You could ask, "Where will I go tomorrow?" Or, "When will I start my work?" You can write these questions down in a notebook, on your phone, or even just say them aloud to yourself. The important thing is to do it. Make it real. And don't stop there. Try to answer your own questions in English. This is how you build confidence and vocabulary. For example, if your question is, "What will I cook for dinner tonight?" Your answer could be, "I will cook chicken and rice." Then you can ask a follow-up question to yourself. "How will I cook the chicken?" Answer, "I will bake it in the oven." You're having a mini conversation with yourself in English. This is such a powerful way to learn and improve. Beyond the day, continuous improvement. You've done a fantastic job today. You've learned how to break down your day using WH questions, and you've started to personalize your English practice. The most important thing I want you to remember is this. Your daily life is your best English textbook. You don't need to buy expensive books or courses to practice. Just observe your daily life. Every single thing you do, every person you meet, every place you go, they all offer endless opportunities to create WH questions and practice your English. When you wake up, ask, "What time is it? How do I feel?" When you eat lunch, ask, "What am I eating? Who am I eating with?" When you relax in the evening, ask, "What am I watching? Why do I like this show?" Make it a habit. Even just 2 or 3 WH questions a day can make a huge difference over time. Consistency is key when learning a language. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to BBC English Online for more practical English lessons that you can use every single day. See? We are here to help you on your English journey. I would love to see your personalized WH questions. Share them in the comments below. What questions did you create about your evening or tomorrow? I'll be reading them, and it's another great way to practice writing in English. Remember, consistency, curiosity, and confidence will lead you to fluency. You have the tools now. Use your daily life to make English a part of your life. Keep practicing, keep observing, and keep asking those wonderful WH questions. You can do it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Tommy, and I'll see you next time on BBC English Online. Bye for now.